What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Canada. Just got a root canal. Fun times. On the brighter side, I just booked my trip to Bali. I leave mid-November, so I'm pretty excited. It will be my first time to Indonesia. Do some meditation, some yoga, eat some healthy food. All right. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 19.5. Lord knows I need meditation and yoga to deal with trading crypto. We're down about 3.5 on the day. We're seeing market cap of 372 B. 24-hour volume 58.98 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So our wave count is playing out perfectly. Have a wave 1 down here in blue, a WXYXZ correction into a wave 2. And now coming down in a 3, and here's our sub-wave count. We come down in a wave 1 here in red. This is a wave 2 pullback. So we're looking for a rejection in between 19.4 and 19.9K. Might slur my words a little bit. Well, the freeze comes out here. And if we do see a rejection, then we can come down in a wave 3 to take you down to about 16.5 to about 16.8K. Now, if we were to come up and break this high at 20.3, it would invalidate that, but I don't think it's likely. I think we're going to see the continuation to the downside and finally come down and break this low here at 17.5K. As I've been mentioning, wave 4 pullback, bottom is not in. How did this even happen? How did you get all the way? What is going on? What? How? Oh, what a glitch, man. What happened to my wave count? Bruh. It's not my day. I have to get a root canal and then my laptop goes all funky. Jeez, man. What? What the fuck? First world problems. Here we go. Okay, so we've come down in a 1 into a 2. This was a 3. This is a 4. And now we're going to come down to a 5 in between 11 and 13K. As I've been mentioning for many, many months. We'll look at our next chart here, which is here on the 4-hour time frame. I talked about us getting rejected by this downsloping trend line, and we also had horizontal resistance at 20.3. That's exactly what happened. We didn't quite come up and touch this trend line, but one thing you can do with trend lines is do a little bit of maneuvering, and suddenly, oh look, it now touches the trend line. Wow. And this was just a little bit of a bull trap. Amazing. Yeah, it's not, I mean, trend lines can honestly be helpful, but they can be manipulated. All right, guys. So if we do come down for that wave 3, the level of support, the next level of support I'm looking at is 17.5. We have this downsloping trend line of support here, as well as the previous low, the previous wick low at 17.5, 17.6K. So that is our next target. And I'm not going to change that until we come up and break about 20.3K, which I don't think is likely. But of course, anything is possible here in the crypto space. Where are my other charts that I had opened up? Let me quickly open up the DXY, and we'll see what we can see here on the dollar. So exactly as I mentioned here, the dollar was shooting up into space, and I said, look, guys, the dollar's going to come down. As we're a little bit too overextended, we have a bearish divergence. We're starting to see a drop, and that's why we're currently starting to put in that wave 2 pullback. If we open this up here, we're starting to put in that wave 2. As you can see right here, we're pushing up for Bitcoin while the dollar is dropping. So I do think the dollar will drop a little bit more and then find support and most likely see continuation to the downside. And then that's when you'll see the price of Bitcoin continue to fall. All right, guys. So quick little update for BTC. Look for a rejection in between 19.4 and 19.9K. And then coming down in a wave 3 all the way down to about 16.5 to about 16.9. We made some juicy profits in the Discord. Recently locked in gains on Ethereum. Took a small loss for Sand. And currently in some juicy profits on our Bitcoin short position as well. All right, guys. I also post my analysis in here. It's $10 a month, but you can gain free access to the Discord if you sign up to Bybit and email me your sign-up email. You get complete free access to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And check out my full-length tutorial on Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.